Hi, I'm Eric from Suprema, and we're showing off some great new things this year at ISC West for BioStar Air. If you know the system, it is Suprema's cloud solution that puts our biometric readers like the BioStation 3 and the BioEntry W3 directly on the cloud. You can also use Suprema's RFID readers, and they just need a single one cable connection, and that's what we've been known for. It's an incredibly simple installation, and it's incredibly easy to scale and upgrade as well. One of the great new things that we're showing off this year, in addition to our biometrics, is the ability to use Suprema's CS20, CoreStation 20. This makes BioStar Air a drop-in replacement for existing systems with two-door controllers. It means that you can reuse any of the cabling that you already have, just adding the CS20 and Suprema's D2 readers to the walls, and you have a full cloud solution ready to go. BioStar Air is the easiest to install, most scalable cloud access control solution on the market right now. And we invite you to find out more on Suprema's website at supremainc.com. Or if you see this at ISC West, come by the Suprema booth, check us out, and we'll be glad to explain more about the system to you.